Hi, my name is Stephen Lam. I'm going to show you guys how to make a bootable drive through the Windows media creation tool, or Rufus, where you can use like a Windows ISO and then transform it to like a Windows bootable drive. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to look up the Windows media creation tool and download it first so that we can start the setup. Yeah, the tool is right over here. And once we have it downloaded, we're going to open it. And then we're just going to wait for the we're just going to click on all these settings here. Then we're just going to click on the USB flash drive so that it can reformat the drive and make a Windows bootable drive for us. And this process is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. Yeah, so now the flash drive is ready. The process is finished. Now we have a Windows bootable drive. Now the next one I'm going to show you guys is how to make a bootable drive through Rufus if you have just a separate ISO. Yeah, so we're just gonna download the installer right now. Yeah, and once we have the installer finished, we're just gonna select the ISO. Yeah, so right here I only have a Windows 8 ISO, so I'm just gonna turn it to a Windows 8 bootable drive right now. Yeah, so now we're just gonna start the process, and it's just gonna reformat everything and then copy the ISO to the USB. And once it's finished, we'll have the bootable drive finished. Yeah, so there you are. And now we have two separate ways to make a bootable drive, and then now I'm going to show you guys how to reformat your computer with this bootable drive here that we just created. So here's my uncle's broken computer. He gave it to me, so I just reset the entire hard drive and just reformat everything and just reinstall Windows 10. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our bootable drive, plug it into our computer, and then click the boot options to select this USB so we can start the installation process. When we get into the boot option, we're going to see a list of USBs, and we're going to click on the one that we installed Windows on, which is the SanDisk Cruiser. It will start up the Windows setup for us, and then we're just going to select all the options we want, every option we prefer, and then we're just going to install it. So the next step is going to be to find the drive on your computer and just reformat it. After you reformat it, you can then proceed to refresh it with a fresh install. So they're going to show you a bunch of disks, and then because our Windows file, like our old Windows, is on disk 0, we're going to delete every disk 0 partition. Once all the disk partitions are deleted, we're gonna get something called unallocated space. And with the unallocated space, we're gonna press the new button so that it can create the Windows formatted drive. And then we can start the installation of the Windows. Yeah, so it's just gonna start installing, and I'm just gonna speed up the process. It's a little bit blurry, I'm sorry. Yeah, so now the installation is complete, and we're just gonna set up the basic settings of our computer, just asking what we prefer, the initial preferences. So yeah, that's how you do a fresh install of your Windows. If you have any viruses or anything, you can fix the problem with a fresh install.